me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing, you know, Bird or Magic or something. Yeah, you know when the brick door, and I believe. What if I leave? The fans still gonna love me, man.
I just want to know why the f do we have so much Capri Sun? Like, bro, what is this? What is all of alright, here's what I was looking for. Well, good morning, guys. I got my Capri Sun with me and we're ready to roll. It's such a blessing waking up to these. You got the beautiful GT500 here, and then you got the country club member who sucks at golf Corvette. But in all seriousness, guys, I'm feeling so good today. I don't know what was in the water this morning. I don't even know what it was in this Capri Sun, but there's gotta be something because I'm feeling extra good today, extra motivated, extra happy, extra just, I don't know, man. I got the energy, man. I don't know what they've been putting in these Capri Suns, man. It's gotta be more than juice. Hey, Nick, I got Capri Sun for you.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
So when I finish, it's open. So when I finish drinking this, I'm gonna be skinny?
Yeah, I mean, it's not working for me, so.
Sadia.
What you been up to? You got a, what is that? GT63, man?
Just pick that bitch up.
Man, you guys got everything.
No, this for you.
This
we
for
knew
me?
you were coming, yeah.
Man, well, boy, now, let me give me the keys to the Trackhawk. That's what I came here for.
That one?
Yep. And they also got this here, a CT5 Blackwing. Look at how sick this thing is. I think you got like 650 horsepower. And then that is cool. Hey, is this a wrap? Oh, this is a factory color? Man, look at the screen. This is for baby money, bro. You gotta sell it to him.
They still PPF this.
Nice. This thing is clean. Huh? One sec. Look at this. So this is a GT53, not a 63. The 63 has the V8. The 53 has the V6, but it looks so good. You got the huge brakes.
5 minutes.
The interior looks crazy.
What the 5 minutes?
Look at this. You got the yellow stitching. You got the bucket seats back here. And then you got this. Nice speakers. What you got here? Oh, baby money's about to buy it. I know you got the best clientele. This thing is sick. So George just corrected me. That Benz over there is not a V6. It's a what?
Inline 6.
Inline 6. So I'm not a car guy, so I don't know the difference. Woo, we got the red keys for me, my boy. And well, here's what we came to see. This beautiful 2018 Jeep Trackhawk in this beautiful color. If you guys didn't know, red is my favorite color. I've only owned one red car, and well, maybe we could own another one. But look at that. You got the yellow brakes, and the best part is the interior. You got red interior, so you got red on red. I like that combo. You got the carbon fiber right here, or at least it looks like carbon fiber. And yeah, you got the black wheels, and also it is super windy out here, so we should probably go take it for a ride. I also heard that it's not stock, so let's go out and do some pulls. All right, let's get in here and turn it on. Ooh, sounds stock though. You got 62,000 miles, so this thing has went through and back and back. I'm just kidding, but yeah, it has quite a bit of miles. But I've really, what the heck? But I've seen that most Trackhawks have a lot of miles. You will rarely see any Trackhawks with low miles because they are SUVs. Most people use them to daily them, so they drive them. So we're gonna take this thing out for a drive, and we're gonna put it in sport mode. But these are not popping up. Where do we go for that? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Dashboard? All right, drive modes, sport. Let's actually just put it in like track. Unavailable. What kind of shit is y'all on? What is this? What unavailable?
You gotta spin it, bro.
Spin what? I'm not spinning it.
The dial by your own.
Oh, so the only way to change it is here?
I guess.
What? Oh, right here. Oh, why can't you change it from here? That's odd. Anyways, we're just gonna leave it in track. So after driving 13 different Trackhawks, I still don't know what I'm doing in here. All right, let's launch it. Oh my God. Oh, what the f? This thing is spinning so much. All right, let's do like a second gear pull. Oh my God. God. I don't want to go to jail in a Jeep. This thing is insane. It sounds so good.
What?
And it whines so much. I love Trackhawks, guys. I gotta eventually buy one. Like, the more I drive them, the more it's like, I just need one. But like, you got like a violin player around you at all times when you have a Trackhawk. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is fast. Holy moly. And it's literally not the fastest Trackhawk I've ever driven. I don't know if you guys remember, about a year and a half ago, I came here and reviewed like a 1200 horsepower Trackhawk they had. It had a 426 in there. It was cammed. It was so nasty. And I think after that video, one of you guys bought it. So if you guys want a Trackhawk, there's one here. You should probably hit up Twins Auto Sales. So let's see what they got at this lot. So look at this. A beautiful S580. You got the slow Mustang. You got, I think this is a Plaid. I don't know, I'm not sure. You got a Bentley. Don't care for Bentleys. I love that. We've seen that before. And then we got, I think this is an M8. I don't know if it's an M850. It might be an M8 though. Yeah. It is an M8 competition as well with the drop top. I don't know how I feel about that. You got a bunch of slow SXDs, but if you like one, you got them here. And this thing is just so beautiful, man. I just can't get over this Trackhawk. I love this color. It's probably be my favorite color in Trackhawks. It's a very rare color, and the red with the yellow combo looks so good. And they also got another cool Jeep, and it's this beautiful Rubicon, and it's a 392 as well. You got all the gold features. I don't think it's lifted. I think this is stock. I may be wrong. I don't know. Criticize me in the comments below. Look at these wheels. This looks good. So these come with like 470, maybe 480 horsepower, which isn't bad, but you have a better option now. The Raptor Bronco just came out, and I actually seen one. I'm gonna actually review one tomorrow. I think that's a way better option if you're trying to go for that off-road look with a little bit of speed. And they also got another Rubicon 392 in here, so you got options, and then a bunch of Hellcats and Bentleys. So what do you guys think? Should we get a Trackhawk? I know I've teased you guys with this Trackhawk stuff for so long, and you know, you're like, are you gonna buy one eventually? I don't know, man. This one would be the nice one to buy, but it has 62,000 miles, so it's probably not the best thing for me. I do drive my cars hard, and I don't want to buy a car that's driven hard. I don't know, man. It just looks so good though, man. The red, it just does it for me. I love red on Trackhawks. This is the right color for this car. And the best part is it also has red seat belts. So you got a red car, red seat belts, and red seats. So we're gonna do one last pull, but this time you guys are gonna see their reaction. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Y'all gotta wear y'all seatbelt though. Huh?
That wasn't even track mode.
That was normal mode. And I'm running out of gas. Look at that. 15 miles until E. Sorry, Haas, you gotta give me cars with gas. You know, I'm not stopping in the middle of the hood with a Trackhawk to fill up. Like, that would just be like a suicide mission. All right, Haas, there you go. I drove the speed limit the whole time, I promise you.
I bet.
Do you believe me?
After I watch this, we'll find out.
And now I'm gonna take my broke ass home. All of us came to just window shop, but no, in all seriousness, that Trackhawk is for sale. $72,000, 60,000 miles. It's priced out pretty well considering most Trackhawks with 20,000 miles are going for like 95 to 100,000. So if you want a Trackhawk for a reasonable price, Twins Auto got you. Only 72,000. I'm sure they'll negotiate. So hit them up. I'll leave a link to the Trackhawk in the description below. And Michigan is so bipolar that it literally just started raining out of nowhere. But anyways, we got new wheels coming for the Z06. I like the ones that are on there right now. I was thinking about painting them because I don't like the charcoal color, and the silver lip doesn't look good to me, but I was thinking about painting them and putting spacers and just rocking those because they don't look that bad. But we got sponsored by a wheel company, so we're gonna put new wheels on this car. I'm not gonna tell you guys which company it is just yet because we're pretty much finalizing everything, but we got some really cool wheels coming for the Z06, and I'm just so excited for this build. And we also got a bunch of stuff coming for the Shelby. We recently added a new modification under the hood. If you haven't watched that video, I would highly advise you to watch it. I'll put the link in the description. And we also did a bunch of stuff to the Z06. It has a new look. You probably can't tell because it's tucked away in the garage, but definitely go watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And the Gladiator is a daily as of right now. I'm probably gonna keep it for a few more months until I find something else to replace it with. And a Jeep Trackhawk could potentially be the replacement for the Gladiator. I know I've been talking about getting a Trackhawk for the longest time, but but the market was so high on them at some point. It's slowly going down along with the rest of the car market. So in a few months, if we find the right one with the right mileage in the right condition, I might just get one. But now it's time to let you guys go. So say bye to the Z06, the GT500, and the Gladiator, and I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me, and until next time, peace.